Pound USD, we start with daily chart. Okay. First of all, we know that since the price was within this move, we have been looking for the down move. The question was whether this one can be similar to what we have here or this. This is the question. What when since the price was within this move, we are explaining even after the price drop. Okay, but what we got here is we didn't get the price. I mean, the waist drop is corrective, not as sharp as what we had here. Okay, this is what I need to mention here because the question is whether this one can turn to a bigger correction, retest the top, then we get the down move from there, or this is the start of the down move. Because the way was correct. My question is when we look at this piece on lower time frame, can we consider this is the start of the down move, or as I mentioned, can turn to a more complex correction? All right. Anyway, this is just we don't need to really care about that. At least we need to know how we can look for trade because we have been looking for the price to drop as a sharp move since the way was moving here was really corrective and it was in the upward as a corrective for the quite long time. Anyway, we move to forward chart, and in this case, if we move to forward chart, the only thing is if we put this one in relative to the previous low, we see the divergence here, but the MACD doesn't show us anything. Again, this is the question, as I mentioned. We need to know what's the next, whether we can put this one as a flat or this is the start of the down move. All it depends on what we get here. When the market open, because right now we cannot confirm because it's, as I mentioned, still we can expect this one turn to a more corrective way move. Okay, but since the drop was really sharp, we can expect the correction for one more drop. That's why all it depends what we get when the market open here. But sure, for sure, if we get any reversal with flag, this is what I'm really interested because in terms of the risk and reward for the short-term trade can give us really good trade rather than we get a correction here for one more drop. Because even if we get a correction, if we want to trade, our stop loss should be above this. And even we are not sure how deep it can go. All right, because with the breakout of this low, we have to start to manage. Anyway, we have to wait and see what we get when the market open. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade set up. All right, mostly we can expect to get the correction here for one more, the price give us one more drop. But any reversal, it can give us better trade setup. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. Just wait when the market open. Then from there, we can make a decision. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.